Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Today we are going to continue our series about Leaflet package and R programming language, and I'm going to show you how to draft polygons to your map. And first I'm going to create list PO for polygons. It's gonna be list, and I want collection of latitude points and of longitude points. So I want my first point to be on 47, 21. Second is going to be on 50, 21. So we are going to get square or rectangle better. Then 50, 23, and finally 47, 23. So now in order to create this polygon, we are going to add one function, add polygons, and for that I'm going to say PO let, and for LNG I'm going to add PO LNG, and don't forget pipe operator at the end. Save it, run it. Let's see what we have. And we have our polygon, and if you want to add additional point to this polygon, we can do that easily. So I'm going to add one more point in here. Let's go with 55 and 31. Save it, run it. Let's see what we have. And if you want to change color of this polygon, we can do that in easy way with fill color. Let's do it with orange like this. Save it, run it, refresh it. Okay, now with color we are going to change bordering color. Let's go with red, run it. All right, and if you want to change width of your bordering line, there is argument weight, and if we set it to 1, we are going to get a thinner line than this one. Refresh it. All right, let's say 2,5. Save it, run it again, refresh it. All right, and if you want to remove this bordering line completely, we can say stroke to false. Save it, run it. All right, but I'm going to remove this argument or set it to true in order to get our line back. And there is also a way to deal with opacity of both fill color and bordering color. And for bordering color opacity, we are going to use opacity argument, set it to 0,5, and with fill opacity we are going to deal with opacity of fill color, so 0,65. Save it, run it. Let's see what we have. So guys, check this out. Let me show you something. And if you want to mark some region, that is, for example, part in Ukraine, part in Poland, and part in Belarus, you are going to have to create polygon that is going to follow border of that region. Or you could find predefined polygons like that on internet. And in next episode we are going to talk about that subject. So that is all for now, guys. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!